Alright, this is how to extract a bolt. This is the exhaust manifold bolt. I got one out already. See that dark spot? Torch. Now I decided to shoot a video to take these other two out. So what we do, I heat up the block around the bolt. Try to get it as red as possible, so it would just loosen the rust particles that will form because of the heat and the age of the machine. I'm using oxygen and propane. A lot of guys use acetylene, but that's a bit expensive. I also use this Kilson wrench called Monkey Wrench. Fasten around the bolt. Alright, stop this video now and shoot another one as I start to turn the bolt.